simple tomato curry or tomato masala or Thakkali curry, a beginner's recipe. Today we are going to make simple tomato curry or tomato masala, a beginner's recipe. Onion cut into small pieces, garlic, green chilli, ginger, tomato. Heat the pan and put in 10 ml of oil. Put in mustard or sarson to oil. Put in the onions. This mustard has been starts bursting. Put in the onions. Put in the green chili, the ginger and the garlic. Salt. Salt until the onions are a golden brown. Put in the tomatoes. Sauce. For 10 to 15 minutes. Put in salt to taste. Put in half a spoon of turmeric powder. Salt and mix. Put in a pinch of pepper powder and salt. While sauteing, smash the tomatoes so that it becomes a fine mush. Pour in half a cup of water. Mix and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The simple tomato curry is nearly ready and can now be taken off the flame. This is a very simple and easy curry to make at home. It can be made by any beginner with very few ingredients. The simple tomato curry is ready now. This is the final simple tomato curry or tomato masala, a very nice and easy beginner's recipe which can be made simply with few ingredients and is also tasty. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the notification button.